Is it clever to solder it now? Is it clever to solder it now here, or is it not clever? I think so. I connect first the grounding and so on. This is better, huh? Sounds better. But for your information, you also can only put 1 and 2 zip ties here. It's much easier to work for you. So I need a wire, a copper wire or stuff like this. Huh? It will be good. Yeah, it will be good. Why not? Now I know why this is here. Okay, maybe the cables can come here better or stuff like this. I don't know why. It's okay. It's okay. I say it's okay. I feel it. I have a feeling. I interchange the cable here to gray cables with a smaller dimension, and I can now go through this hole. Please attention. These cables must be much smaller. Yeah. Not these fat cables. There was too fat, and yeah. It's a mistake. Yes. Now we need to take a copper wire. This is a 1.5 millimeters also, and I would like to insert it here. You see that hole? On the right side is the grounding hole, the down hole, and I come here and contact around the corner. Contact the pin for the grounding. Yes, this is a pin for the grounding. I will show you this. So it comes here over. Not so cool. Okay, but I have an idea. I bent this a little bit. Okay, I bend it here like this. Look here. Bend it a little bit, and then this inserted pin I would like to bend here a little bit. You see, like this. Yeah, so I go in this hole, fiddling around a little bit, go up to my other connection here inside, and don't bend it back. I would like to have that this jump inside this hole of the pin, what's inside here. Yeah, it comes. We need only a little bit force. You hear this click? Super. And now we solder the pin to this ground. Just wait a little bit for the burning hot iron, but it's not so burning hot. It's more cold than hot. We need to solder it here. Must be good soldered. It's the ground. I will show you this now, how this must be. Cool out. You see? You see, here the pin is soldered in a way. And now we press down this here and solder the pin here. Okay? The grounding solder. You see that? It's the right pin, and come on, iron, deliver energy. No, don't deliver energy. It's more cold than hot. So, looks good. Now I will cut it off. Yes. Oh, it's hot. Man, it's hot. Yeah, I cut it off. So you can see the pin here. This is the ground pin on the right side. Here is a little minus on it. Yeah, this is the minus. Here the minus goes in this coil and this plus goes in this coil. Never interchange the polarity on the antenna controller. If you interchange it, then the controller is defect. So, and now we need a wire from here, from plus here, to the center pin of the connector. It's very easy to do. The center pin is here. I can see it. Funny. It's not so funny, but okay. Yeah, I need this here, and I bend it. I bend it with my pliers, and I interconnect it inside the connector. There is a little hole, and now I solder it. You cannot see it here. I make it zoom. It's better, you can see it better, but I cannot work so. You see this, but there is this thread rod in the way, and I can solder it, but not now. So, okay, I can solder it now. You see? Little bit. Oh, my plastic is burning. Yeah, be careful. Metal is not burning, but the plastic. So, I show you this exact. You see that pin here in the center? The center pin is this here in the connector. The center, we can control everything after this soldering action. And now we solder this inside here to this pin. Okay. Attention, we go on. Solder iron 430 degrees and no power. Yeah, it have power. It takes a while because the copper have energy loss also in this direction. Now we cool them out and cut it off. There must be no short between these two pins. Must be no short between these two pins. Zooming away again. Now we solder this pin on the left side with the plus to the center. You see? It's exact soldered. Now we solder the motor. Where is the plus and where is the minus? We take a meter. Look. So, continuity mode. Is this the plus? The plus is on the left side. Here? No. Good. This is the plus. The minus, we make a marker on it with a black. See? Black is, I don't have a red one. So, We know where the motor should be connected, and now we know this. And the mounting brackets and stuff like this, you see, maybe we cut it first. Should cut it first. We cut it first. And then we solder it from this and from that side. Yeah, it's difficult to see. Solder iron, come on. If you build your own kit, then you're much nervous than other people at home, where nobody watching over the camera. And now we putting this wire to the other side. This is the black one wire. Put this to the other side. Shit. This we can cut off. Now we must fill this in, and where is the black wire? Here is the black wire. This black wire should become in here. Now we can see it better, but we cut it first. You can see it over the light. I show you this. After my solder action, cut this first. Getting some. Yeah, this is not cool. Okay. From the other side, what is with the temperature? Okay, looks good. Looks good. You see, here you have the wire, the black one, and here you have the red one. It's for the motor. If this is wrong, then the motor drives in the wrong direction. This is not good. Now the next step is this coax cable. It's a very thin cable. It's a RG174. Yeah, looseless. Very funny. No, we must connect it here through these antenna points. Yeah, here on the plus on the left side and on the minus on the right side, and bring it up to here, to this connection of the ball holder. And so we do this. I'm making by my own cable only a cut of 2 centimeters, you see? 2 centimeters, and I cut them. Why? Why I'm doing this? You see? There are also cable cutters that you can use for it, but I take this cutter here. Cable cutters. I have a cable cutters for a satellite dish and so on, but for this I don't have. So with feeling you can do this. With feeling, drill it, drill it, drill it, drill it, and so this is a one thing. I also think we should cut it here on the front, you see, but only with a little bit, I say 3 millimeters. Cut it. So, see, 3 millimeters, so on. Then wake up, please wake up. You know, these new machines are, yeah, very good. So we solder them here and solder them here on this grounding. I hope so this is working. Yeah, it's not so nice, but okay, it works. It works. It was good. And now for my own antenna, and this is my own antenna, I would like to make a soldering. What's happened now here in the background? I'm making a shrinking on it, and then on the other side I would like to cut this also. But now you see, take it, we must go here, and here should be the, this is like this, it's a 5 centimeters or so. We are going this. So now we would like to open this shielding with the pliers, pincet or whatever it's called like. The thing is that, be careful. You can also insert the other cable, it's no problem. This is an experiment, yeah? This antenna kit is an experiment for shortwave enthusiasts, and if you say, hey, this is a wrong cable, you can also send with a blank cable. It's also no problem, because your coil is moving and making the alignments for the length of the antenna. So if you say my cable sends 2, then it's also good for you. No problem. I don't care. Yeah. Very funny. Yeah. And I take this cable. Maybe it's good or not good. I don't know. I'm not so specialized in cable technician and whatever. This cable we are also putting here, and then we cut it. Cut it a little bit, man. Why not? So you see this? Yeah. These are made 5 millimeters or so longer. I solder all these. Yeah. So we solder it. What's happened with this? I don't know why these modern solder irons are, they have 100,000 degrees and cannot solder. Yeah, super. What is this? This is, the pin is too small, I think so. Yeah, my hands are shaking now. Why? Losing some vitamins or whatever. Now, it's better. What's happened here with this soldering iron? It's wobbling around. So, you see, it's much longer, and this is the top part. It's designed for here. Yes, now, I would like to have a shrink hose on it. Yes, I'm making now the shrink full cable. Here you can see it. Shrink here and shrink there. And now we would like to give it in the antenna. Yeah. We must go up here, and this means we come here down in this hole. You remember I making a mistake here, and now in this hole, and now down still here, and we are, the left is the red one, or the signaling one, and the right is the ground. Yeah, you see, we must solder this on here. The emitter, yeah, here you see it better. The emitter is under voltage. You see? Okay, super. and now this, the red one side, the cable, for your information, is light white, I think so. So, looks good. Now you can have a watch on it. Look here. Looks good, the cable is good, and it comes here. The energy is flowing up here, here, the cable along, and now here inside this. But this cable is special. We must make two things. Yeah. Don't know how this can be, but okay. Here is a part. This is this. We can shrink, press it or whatever. I don't want to press it. It's good if we press it, no problem. It should be come here to this cabling. Yeah. You see? And it's the I cut it off. I cut it. I have no idea. Yeah, if you have it in a car, then it's neat like this, or I cut it on the half. I cut it here. It's also an idea. I cut this off. Hey man, this is strong. Yeah. And I see it here. Maybe I can solder it here. Oh, I cut it more off. Cut it more off. Why not? Can put the plastic away. Oh, knacks. What is this? Feel, maybe. Ah, it's dangerous, man. It's dangerous. It's so scary. I want to cut this off, but why doesn't work? Look, now it's going. I would like to have the metal a little bit outside that I can solder on it. It will be nice, huh? It's better than this press. Yeah, we can press and shrink and whatever. Okay. It comes off, you see? It comes off now, super. Now it is better. I make a solder point inside. Energy, Scotty energy. So, okay, looks good. Looking good. And now this. Okay. Not so bad. Look this. Nice. Oh, this is nice. Don't fell off. Man, it's hot. Wow. Look, this is the grounding for this tube what's upside there. Yeah. And I would like to have the grounding on the tube. And this is super. I think it's super. This here now, we have the we put a little bit we put a little bit a tape here. Maybe this is turning around and then it become a problem with the grounding, and the power should not go in the ground, or isn't it? We are We must connect this here, but bend them up and go here around, but don't connect to the grounding. This is not good. Why not? Okay, I'm soldering it here. Solder it here. Huh? This is the idea. Okay, okay, you can see that. And the end of it, I disconnect here. So this is the pin. Yeah, the pin is here. Look. Don't touch the ground. This is not good. Not good for your amplifier, not good for the antenna system, and not good for everything. Because if you want, you can make here a capacitor. Yeah, it's also not so. It's clever to make a capacitor here. Yeah. Now we are connecting our. Hey, funny. We're connecting it, but we cannot connect. Yeah. What shall I say? I want that this pin goes up here. Be careful. It should not broke now, because if we would like to solder it here, it comes on. It comes on. Look, 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 look. So, it's very strange, huh? Strange. And this must be go here. Yeah, this is a very funny situation. But first we would like to make a glue on it. Yeah. A tape, film tape. Hey, come on, what's around here on the back? All the time this shaking and doing and whatever. We take this, and Mr. Blazers, come here, and so we take this and that, and we take it here. That the thing cannot connect here. Yeah, but looks like not good. Let's cut it out here and here. So this is the first cut. Second cut is here. And come out. So now we are isolated from the thing, and now we can solder this here. This pin. I cannot hold it so that you can see it. It's very complicated because the emitter is on the way. So now I need a hold hand, a solder hand, and whatever hand. Come on. What is this? Yeah, you need 3 hands all the time. Oh, what's went wrong? Nothing. Okay, 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 okay. Look, it's soldered on here. Not bad. Not so bad, man. This is cool. And now the grounding is here. We can measure also the grounding here on this tube. Super. Yeah, now we must test it, and the test equipment is in the next video. Yes, and this was the 59 antennas do-it-yourself kit in a box. I make it in 2 days. It's a cutted video. Now, because I'm exhausted in my case of my health situation. But okay, this is go. Here it is. The next video, I think, will become how we operate it and how it's working, going up and down, stuff like this. Yeah, I'm very happy that I can do this, and so I say thank you for watching.